Hi, I'm Pankaj Sharma, your guide today. I simplify data science in plain English. Let's dive in. Here's a hot take. Data science isn't magic, and it isn't just people in hoodies whispering to algorithms. It's a way to turn messy reality into decisions. And you already do a tiny version of it every day. Think about your last big purchase. You compared prices, read reviews, weighed pros and cons. That's data science in miniature. Define the question, gather data, analyze, decide. Now scale that up. Data science sits at the intersection of three things: domain knowledge, understanding the real-world problem; statistics, measuring uncertainty and patterns; computing, processing lots of information fast. If one corner is weak, the whole thing leaks. So what actually happens? First, I frame a question. Not what can the data say, but what decision am I trying to improve? Then I collect data, logs, spreadsheets, sensors, surveys. I clean it, fix typos, handle missing values, squash weird outliers. This is the unglamorous 70% that makes the other 30% possible. I explore, visualize, compute summary stats, form hypotheses. I model a simple average, a regression, a deep neural network. The tool fits the question, not the other way around. I validate, split data, cross-validate, stress test assumptions. If it fails here, it's better than failing in the real world. Finally, I communicate. Clear story, clear caveats, clear action. Here's the twist. More complex isn't always better. A clever baseline can beat a fancy model that overfits, and correlation without causation can send you in the wrong direction. Fast. Let's make it concrete. Say a city wants to reduce ambulance response times. The question, where should we position ambulances each hour to get to emergencies faster? Data, historical 911 calls with time and location, traffic speeds, weather, big events, road closures. Clean and explore. Plot call density by hour, flag anomalies like storm days, account for reporting lag. Model, start simple, Poisson models for call counts by area and time. Add features, rainfall, stadium events, rush hour. Validate, train on last year's data, test on held out weeks, compared to the current deployment strategy. Decision, reassign units dynamically. Maybe move one ambulance 2 blocks east on Fridays 5 to 8 p.m. because calls spike after a local market. Measure impact. Did median response time drop? By how much? If not, iterate. Notice what I didn't say, just throw it into AI. The magic isn't the algorithm, it's the loop. Ask, gather, clean, model, test, decide, learn. Also, ethics isn't optional. If the data reflects past inequities, the model can reinforce them. So I check for bias, test across neighborhoods, and weigh fairness alongside accuracy. If you want to start, begin small. Pick a question you care about, track clean data, make a baseline, beat it, share what changed. Tools evolve, but the mindset sticks: curiosity, skepticism, and clear thinking. Data science is not about predicting the future perfectly. It's about reducing uncertainty enough to make a better decision today. And that, scaled across thousands of choices, is how data quietly shapes the world you live in. So the next time you hear the data says, ask, which data? Compared to what? How do we know? That's the real work, and it's work you can learn.